Go.
Hello, this is the wood, and today this is going to be showing you how to chop the wood. It's important first that you have the holding correctly, like this, 1 and 2. Once you have positioned your hands correctly on the axe, then you begin the preparation for the chopping of the wood. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart to beginning with. And important, this is, before you do the chopping action, you must visualize the cut to begin with, so that you can see that you have already cut it before you go to do the cutting. Okay. So now I will visualize the cut. Oh yeah. Now that I have visualized the cut, I raise the axe like this above my head. Be sure that you are clear of all obstacles like windows and foreign trees and branches, and there's a window here, so I think I should maybe come onto this side. So where was I? Visualize the cut, raise the axe above the head. Okay. Now, thirdly most important is not the speed, not the strength, but the aim. The cutting of the wood is all about the precision. Precision, yes. And sometimes the wood does not cut on the first go. Not because you did the aiming right and you got the precision right and everything and you visualize it, but it didn't cut. So in this case, it helps if maybe sometimes you taunt the wood. Hey, who's your daddy, hey? Yeah. You think you got some sweet resistant actions against my fine muscular action chopping? No, I'm your daddy. And you taunt the wood. And you weaken the wood's ego, and then once you finish taunting it, then it will have no more resistance because its pride has been crushed. And now that I've taunted him, and I have visualized the cut, and I have raised the axe, and I have correct handling position on the axe, I can fulfill the cut just as I had originally. How do you say, yes, thank you. You cannot speak. I am your master. I am your master. Don't let them speak back to you. You must be authoritarian. Authority, yeah, like this. And now, we cut the wood.